Hello, this is Bill. I'm going to show you how to load and use Tweepi. Tweepi is an extension for Twitter that allows us to follow 300 to 400 new Twitter users per day and to clear out those users who you follow but who are not following you back. As you know, it doesn't look good to have a lot more people that will not follow you as who you follow. And in addition, I have been using Tweepi, found a few tips that will help you use it more effectively. You start by loading your Twitter account. Tweepi is an extension that only operates when your Twitter account is open. Once your Twitter account is open, open a new tab and type in tweepi.com. This is free, and here is the page that you will be working from. Let's take care of removing our non-followers first. Hover over Manage Twitter and then click on Flush the Unfollowers. Now, I was using this a little earlier today, and so I immediately have gone to the pin in this area to move to this screen if you are using it for the first time. But it's intuitive, so follow along. Here we have a blocked out select all key that Twitter will not allow Tweepi to use. So what we have to do is we have to click on the first box, scroll down the page, hold down the Shift key, and click the last box. Your first tip. This Actions button allows you to lock one of your non-followers or any number of your non-followers so that they will not be removed. So once you click on the Actions, there is an icon in there for you to lock it. So you may want to file that one away. At this point, we now click on Unfollow, and Tweepi will remove those followers. The first time that you use Tweepi, you will be only allowed to take 20 at a time out. But at the bottom of the page, tip number 2 is that you will be asked to tweet that you are using Tweepi. And in exchange for doing that, Tweepi will allow you to highlight 40 names per time. If you notice, since I've used it, there's 20 and 40, so I am using the 40. All right, now I only had one page of one, but if you were doing more, if you had more than one page, that you would click on Next, go to the next page, and remove another 40, as long as you have selected that. And that is how you remove them. So let's go back to the top of the page, and what we're going to do is we are going to now follow 300 to 400 new Twitter users using this step. Hover over Follow Tweets, and now you click on @user_followers, and it will bring you to this page. But your next question is, yo, Bill, how do we find these people that we want to follow? Well, what you should do is you should go to one of the internet experts and follow some of the people who they are following. And I will show you how to do that. To our Twitter page. And you should be using the new Twitter, because this only works with the new Twitter. And that's your tip number 3. Go over to Who to Follow. Click on that. And type in one of your experts that you like. I particularly like Ann Sieg. I think she has some great things to say. So why don't we type in Ann, S-I-E-G, search, and there she is. Now what you have to do here is you have to click on their face, and what you're trying to do is to capture this at followed by her name. And there's maybe some nomenclature in there, but you notice you can't get it there. So click on this face. Here it is, and now you can copy that. Copy the at symbol and their Twitter username. Copy. Go back over to Tweepi, and down here where it says @InterestingTweet, paste her name, start following. And Ann Sieg's, or whoever you've selected, their followers will click on the last button, and now click on follow. It'll take a few seconds to work, and you will notice that now it says followed. I click on next. Repeat the process. That 8 to 10 times, and there's your 300 to 400 new names to add to your Twitter list. Now, not all of them are going to follow you back, so this is a iterative process where you have to go back in and unfollow those who are not following you and find 300 to 400 more per day. My suggestion is to go in every day and follow 300 to 400. You may want to give the unfollow process a couple of days so that you can have, or the folks can have a little bit of a chance to get back in touch with you. All right, that's how you do it. Good luck, and I will see you on the next video.